Alright, so here's another sharp update for MTN users. So peradventure you have been looking for ways you can get cheap data on MTN. I'm going to review to you 7 different codes which you can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. If you have been a follower of this channel before now, I'm sure you know that whenever I review this kind of videos, I give legit codes that work. So if you're new on this channel, just be rest assured that I'll be giving you legit codes that actually work. I'm going to review 7 legit codes that will help you get crazy cheap data on MTN. In fact, I'll make it 8. I'll make it 8. I'll add one extra bonus code for you guys so that I get to enjoy unlimited data using MTN. I guess you're happy, right? So if you're new on this channel, do it to like this video. Go ahead and drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel if you actually got value. So now let's proceed and start right away. So starting with the very first code which you can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So the very first code on my list right here is star 312 star 65 star 4 hash. So once you dial this particular code, you'll be given an amazing offer. As you can see right here, they said you'll be charged 500 naira for the purchase of 2 gig bi-weekly data plan. So it means that every 2 weeks, that is what this offer is all about. You get to receive 2 gig for 14 days. Do you understand? And just for 500 naira. Do you understand? So if you actually love this code, just go ahead and buy it right away and start enjoying cheap data plan for yourself. So let's proceed and review the second code which you can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So the second code on my list right here is star 312 star 65 star 2 hash. So once you dial the second code, you get to receive another amazing offer. So with this particular code, you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig weekly data plan. So this one is a 1 week plan. The previous one was a 2 weeks plan, but this one is a 1 week plan. So it's valid for 7 days. If you love this particular plan, if you love this one, just go ahead and buy it for yourself and start enjoying cheap data on MTN. So now let's proceed and review the third code which can use to get an amazing offer on MTN. So the third code on my list right here is star 312 star 87 hash. Star 312 star 87 hash. So with this code, you receive another amazing offer. So right here, you get to see you'll be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14-day plan. So you can see this is ridiculously cheap. Can you see? You're getting about 450 MB for just 15 naira. Like, you can't see this offer anywhere. You can't see this offer anywhere. So go ahead and try this one. Go ahead and buy this one for yourself and let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. So if you're having any challenge with this plan, with all these codes I'm revealing to you, just ensure you migrate your SIM to MTN Pulse. Just migrate your SIM to MTN Pulse. If you don't know how to do that, just go ahead and comment in the comment section. Tell me to make a video on how to migrate to MTN Pulse, and I'll try and do that in my next video. So, but it's a very simple thing. Just search how to do it on Google or on YouTube right here. You'll see a lot of videos that talk about how you can migrate your SIM to other tariff plan. So migrate your SIM to MTN Pulse and you'll be eligible for all these different codes I'm revealing to you guys. Do you understand, guys? So that's basically the third code which can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So now let's proceed to the fourth code that you can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So the fourth code on my list right here is star 312 star 86 hash. So once you dial this particular one, you get another amazing offer. So right here, you'll be charged just 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. Like, these are plans you can actually go for if you don't have money to buy a lot of data. If you don't have money to buy your normal data plan, you can see with just 20 naira, you are given about 150 MB, which can use to access everywhere on the internet. This is not a social plan. You can use it to access anywhere on the internet. So if you love this, proceed and click on one-off purchase and you get credited 150 MB on your SIM. So let's proceed to the fifth code, which can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So the fifth code on my list right here is star 312 star 88 hash. So once you dial this particular one, you receive another amazing offer. So right here, you can see you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig of data plus 500 MB of data for just 200 naira. This is a monthly plan. It will last you 30 days. So you are getting about 1.5 gig of data for just 200 naira. So for you to buy this, proceed and click on one-off purchase and you get credited this particular data plan. Do you understand, guys? So let's proceed and review the sixth code. The sixth code which can use to get crazy cheap data. If you're getting value, guys, if you're getting value, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, drop a comment that you're enjoying this video, and also like this video. So the sixth code on my list right here is *312 *3 *4 hash. *312 *3 *4 hash. So once you dial this particular one, can you see this is a social media plan specifically for TikTok? Can you see with this plan you get to receive about 150 MB of data for just 15 naira, or you can also receive 2 gig of data for just 400 naira. So TikTok is a social media platform that consumes a lot of data. So just go ahead and go for number 2 if you want to buy a TikTok plan. So you get to receive 2 gig of data for just 400 naira. I'm sure with this 2 gig you can be able to access TikTok for the whole day. You can access TikTok for the whole day. So this is another amazing offer. So proceed and buy this and let me know if it actually worked for you in the comment section. So now the seventh code on my list right here, which can use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So this one is *406 *3 hash. *406 *3 hash. So with this one, this is a midnight plan which you get to enjoy 500 MB of data for just 75 naira. 500 MB of data for just 75 naira. So this plan is usually within 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Once it is 6 a.m., the plan gets to expire and you have the privilege to buy as much as 2 gig of data using this particular plan. Can you see? So it means if you are buying 2 gig of data, you eventually spend about 300 naira to get just 2 gig. So just ensure you buy what you know you can consume for the night, because once it is 6 a.m., the data will vanish from your SIM. Awesome. So I just reviewed to you guys 7 different codes you can use to get cheap data on MTN, and I said I'm going to give you guys a bonus code which you can also use to get crazy cheap data on MTN. So this bonus code is actually *344 hash. Once you dial *344 hash, so right here you come and click on 7. So once you click on 7, can you see they said subscribe to this bundle to enjoy video streaming or download on YouTube. So this is like an hour plan, like hourly plan. Do you get? If you want to buy 12 hours plan, then you get to click on 1. If you want to buy 4 hours plan, you get to click on 2. So let's proceed and click on 2 and see what load up next for us. Can you see with this plan it means that you'll be given unlimited data on YouTube for 4 hours. Can you see this is crazy, right? This is crazy. If you're someone that is into streaming, this is the best plan for you to go for. Do you understand? So they said you will pay 215 naira for buffet plan to stream YouTube up to 4 hours. I think that you get to stream YouTube for up to 4 hours, unlimited data for you. Like, this is crazy. This is the best plan for you if you are a streamer or if you are someone that stream on YouTube. So go ahead and try all these different codes. Like I said, don't forget this. Ensure you migrate to MTN Pulse so that you get to enjoy all these data plan seamlessly. Alright, so I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video. Go ahead and drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.